Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Today's topic is smartphones. Last time we have discussed about the tablets. Now we will discuss about smartphones. And you know that smartphones means cell phones or mobile phones that we use in our daily life. And these are very common devices nowadays and we are using. And these are the pictures you are watching on the screen because smartphone is considered to be the palm top because it is it can be put on the palm of hand, so it is called a palm top. So smartphone, you know that if we discuss about the smartphone, basically, smartphone allows normal phone calls to be made, but also have an operating system such as Android and iOS or Windows. These are the operating systems which are very helpful for the smartphones. So without software, without operating system, we cannot working on cell phones or smartphones. Is it clear? So there are number of applications that we can store for different purposes. And you know very well, according to your knowledge, you can have a lot of applications that stored inside your smartphone and you uses that application for different purposes. Simple. If we talk about the features about the smartphones, you know that we can send and receive emails through the cell phones easily. Second, you can easily surf the net, means surfing the net, you can order to get the things from any area of the world and even inside the country you can easily. And second, global positioning system with which you can go from one location to another if you don't know the exact direction and location of the place. So with the help of GPS you can move from one area to another. There is a calendar functions with which you can have a knowledge of what the date is today, what the time, not only the day and the time of your own country you know about it, but you can have the information about the day, about the date and the times of every each and every countries and cities throughout the world. Second, you can you can use your cell phone in terms of telephone banking and you can pay the bills with the help of cell phone. And normally 20 to 30% inside the Pakistan, they are using their bill schedules and they are paying their deposit or money with the help of their cell phones to different purposes. Simply voice over internet protocol, with the help of this we can use a video calling from one area to another area with our friends and relatives and so on. And streaming of music, different types of music we can enjoy on the cell phones, and instant social other networks just like Facebook and WhatsApp and so on. So we can enjoy these all of this. The very important thing about the internet is this one: the next generations, means the next generations of smartphone will use touch screens with OLED. Nowadays most of the cell phones have LEDs or LCDs, but in for a next generation they will use OLED. OLED mean organic light emitting diodes technology, because with the help of this technology there can be a there there will be a lot of advantages of using OLEDs. And they will use a Li-Fi rather than Wi-Fi, because you know that Wi-Fi is totally based on the radio waves, but Li-Fi is a technology is related to a light. And no doubt if it is communication is The Wi-Fi communication is based on the visible light and with the help of light-based communication. So obviously the Wi-Fi communications will be faster as compared to a Wi-Fi, and the transfer rate, the data transfer rate must be much higher as compared to Wi-Fi. And in future, the Wi-Fi technology will be very popular among inside the countries in the world. Advantages of smartphones, you know that they are very small in size because we can say that it's a portable, we can carry easily from one location to another. The second advantage, we can use and make a call phone from any area from one location to another in the world or in wherever you are, because Wi-Fi and mobile phone network they use this with the help of cell phones. So we can use uh, we because we can use uh, cell phone rather than laptops. Next, hundred of or thousands of applications for different purposes we can use inside the cell phone, and we can get the different types of learning through cell phone with the help of those applications that we install from the app store, or mm, from the app store, or from the market, or from the um, Android operating system application, where we install the different types of applications. Play Store. So Play Store is applications, and App Store is they are applications. These are the applications where you can install a different types of application for different purposes. And the last advantage of the cell phones is that reasonable battery life compared to a laptop. You can even a 2 to 3 days. Some of the cell phones support you a very long time battery life, means up to a 2 to 3 days there. Disadvantages of the cell phones. As far as if there are so many advantages of the cell phone, no, obviously there will be a disadvantages of cell phone. The first disadvantage of the cell phone is that because there is a small screen on the cell phones as compared to the laptop or a tablets or a, I think, personal computer. So there will be a higher chances to uh, for losing your eyes focuses. Mm. And most of the kids which who are used to watching the cell phone 2 to 3 hours daily, they are going to affect their eyes, and they are using glasses. And this is very, I think, this is the main disadvantage of using these type of devices: cell phone, laptop, and tablets. Next, the disadvantage is because most of the students or most of the people, they don't know what type of work they will do on the internet, because they are basically misusing the internet. Um, Without any reasoning, they are opening the websites, they are watching the movies, they are looking the pictures, and without any reason and without any task and without any aim, they are using and they are wasting their time on that. And as far as the memory size is concerned, the cell phone's memory is not much as compared to the laptop and the personal computer. You know that the personal computers or the laptop have up to their memory is 100 what 10 GB to maybe a 15 GB or more. But in cell phone, it's not, I think, applicable, and there are less chances having these type of memory inside the cell phones. And as far as the website, the all features of the websites are not completed inside the cell phones applications as compared to websites. But in laptop or personal computer, we can enjoy the 100 features of that device. Suppose if you are using the Zoom software, Zoom meeting software, when you will use this software inside the cell phone, there are 70 or 80% features you will enjoy inside the cell phone. But on the other hand, if you use Zoom meeting software on the personal computer or a laptop, then there can be a 100% feature you can enjoy. And next, because it is because the smartphone is in smaller size, it can be easily stolen, it can be easily fallen down on the earth and they can be damaged. And if they will be a, if it will be a damage, so then there will be a wealth loss. You will have to buy again, and you will have to deposit from, you will have to pay a lot of money for this. And the last disadvantage of is that the data transfer rate as compared to the laptop or personal computer is slower inside the cell phone. That's all. This was the lecture about smartphone. Inshallah, we'll discuss about the next topic, smartwatches. Next time, will be discussed about its features, advantages, and disadvantages, and uses of that. I hope that mm, I hope that you will understand the whole concepts about its advantages, disadvantages, features, and purposes of the cell phone. And it is my request to all of my students, then please, you after listening the lecture, you will have to study from your book, that is ICT book, and you can get a detailed information also with the help of this. And if you get any type of a problem, you may discuss with me on the cell phone with the help of WhatsApp. Thank you.